we interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you this breaking news from the multiverse. Welcome to Curiosity Corner. Please hold on to your hats because the news we're about to share might just blow them off. We're talking about a concept so vast, so mind-boggling it makes our own universe seem like a tiny speck of dust in comparison. We're talking about the multiverse. You might be asking, what in the cosmic bingo is a multiverse? Well, imagine a game of bingo. But instead of numbers, each square on your card represents a different universe. Some are slightly different from ours, others vastly distinct. In one universe, maybe you aced that test you failed in high school. In another, dinosaurs could be ruling the world. And in yet another, you might be a world-famous rock star. But it's not all fun and games. We're not just talking about a few dozen possibilities here. We're talking about an infinite number of universes. That's right, infinite, a number so large it makes our national debt look like pocket change. And in each of these infinite universes there might be infinite variations. So, for all we know, there could be a universe where you're the one delivering this news and I'm the one sitting at home watching this video utterly flabbergasted by the concept of the multiverse. You're probably thinking this sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it might be, but it also might be science fact. The truth is, we don't know for sure. But that's the beauty of science. It's a never-ending quest for knowledge, a journey into the unknown. So, buckle up folks, because we're about to take you on a journey through the cosmos, through the multiverse. We'll explore the science behind this mind-bending concept, and we'll delve into its implications, both philosophical and practical. Stay tuned folks, as we delve deeper into this cosmic mystery. Who knows, there might even be a universe where you're the one reporting this news. In a universe not so far away, you might be the one with the superpowers. Imagine this. For just a moment, let's take a detour from our everyday reality. Picture a world where the laws of physics have taken a vacation, and you, my friend, are the one donning a cape and soaring high above the clouds. Sounds like a comic book fantasy, doesn't it? But here's the catch. It's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Welcome to the concept of parallel universes, a mind-bending idea that suggests every conceivable outcome of every event exists somewhere out there in a vast cosmic sea. Yes, you heard it right. You might be a superhero in one universe, while in another you're a world-renowned scientist, unraveling the mysteries of these very multiverses. Let's delve a bit deeper, shall we? Imagine a cosmic tree with countless branches, each representing a different universe. Each time a decision is made, an event happens, or even a random quantum process occurs. The tree sprouts a new branch, leading to a new universe. What a marvelous cosmic garden we have, don't we? It's like flipping a coin. Heads, you're the superhero saving the day. Tails, you're the genius explaining this whole theory to a captivated audience. In the multiverse, both outcomes exist. They're just happening on different branches of our cosmic tree. Now you might be thinking, isn't this all a bit too outlandish? But remember, we're in the realm of theoretical physics, where reality is often stranger than fiction. After all, who would have thought 100 years ago that tiny particles could be in two places at once? Yet here we are living in a quantum world. So if you've ever wondered about a universe where dinosaurs still roam, or where you are the president, remember, it might just be out there. In the grand cosmic lottery of the multiverse. Every ticket is a winner, and every possibility is a reality waiting to be discovered. Now let's put on our science hats and dive into the theory behind this multiverse madness. Imagine you're in a bakery, and you see a freshly baked loaf of bread. This isn't your run-of-the-mill loaf, oh no, this is the multiverse loaf. Each slice of this bread represents a different universe, each with its own set of laws and properties. Now that's a lot of sandwiches, folks. Let's take a closer look at one slice. You see those tiny crumbs? Each of those represents a different event within that universe. So, that crumb over there could be you winning the lottery, and that other crumb could be you becoming a world-famous astronaut. The possibilities are as endless as the crumbs in this slice. But what's the science behind this? Well, the multiverse theory is rooted in quantum mechanics, the science of the teeny tiny. Quantum mechanics suggests that particles can exist in multiple states at once, only settling into one state when observed. This is known as superposition. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a cat in a box. According to quantum mechanics, until you open that box, the cat is both alive and dead. It only becomes one or the other when you observe it. Now apply this to the universe. Every event that could possibly happen is happening in some slice of the multiverse loaf. It's only when we observe our slice that we see one particular outcome. And what about the bread itself? Well, that's what scientists call the bulk. a higher dimensional space within which all these universes exist. Just like the dough that holds the slices together, the bulk contains and connects all the universes. But wait, you might say, how can we ever prove this? That's a tough one, folks. Right now, the multiverse theory is just that, a theory. It's based on mathematical models and theoretical physics. But who knows, maybe one day we'll find a way to observe other slices of the multiverse loaf. And there you have it, folks, the multiverse theory, explained with a loaf of bread. Bet you didn't see that one coming. So what does this all mean for us here in our humble universe? Well, dear listeners, if the multiverse theory holds water, it could potentially flip our understanding of reality on its head. We're not just talking about a small tweak here. We're talking about a paradigm shift of cosmic proportions. Now let's humor ourselves for a moment. If we're living in a multiverse with infinite possibilities, there's probably a universe out there where the multiverse theory doesn't exist. Quite a paradox, isn't it? It's like trying to imagine a new color. Your brain just starts to sizzle at the thought of it. But let's not get lost in the interdimensional weeds here. Let's bring it back home. What does the existence of a multiverse mean for us, the residents of this particular universe? Firstly, it challenges our understanding of reality. We like to think of our universe as unique, the only one, the big cheese. But in a multiverse, our universe is just one of an infinite number of cheeses. It's like finding out you're not an only child but one of quintillions of siblings. Secondly, it redefines the concept of normal. If there are infinite universes, then there are infinite versions of normal. In one universe, gravity might make things fall up instead of down. In another, time might flow backward. And in yet another, socks might be the dominant life form. Who knows? Lastly, it raises some big philosophical questions. If there are infinite versions of you and me, what does that mean for our concept of self? Are we unique or just one version in an endless sea of possibilities? It's mind-boggling stuff and it's all speculative at this point, but that's the beauty of science. It's a never-ending journey of discovery, pushing us to question, to wonder, and to explore the unknown. Remember, folks, in the grand scheme of the multiverse, we're just a crumb on a slice of cosmic bread. Well, folks, it's been a wild ride through the cosmos. We've dived into the swirling nebulae of possibilities, surfed the event horizons of black holes, and even played hopscotch on the quantum strings of the multiverse. But as all good cosmic journeys must, it's time to bring our space-time adventure to a close. Let's recap, shall we? We started our journey with the mind-boggling idea that our universe might not be the only one out there. That's right, the multiverse theory suggests that there could be an infinite number of universes, each with its own unique laws of physics. Sounds like a science fiction writer's dream, doesn't it? But this isn't just the stuff of novels and movies. Some of the greatest minds of our time have been grappling with the idea of the multiverse. They've been crunching numbers, tweaking equations, and bending their brains in all directions to understand how and why multiple universes could exist. The implications of the multiverse are as vast as the cosmos itself. If there are other universes, each with different physical laws, then anything and everything could be possible. Maybe there's a universe where gravity pulls sideways or where time runs backwards. Or perhaps there's a universe where you're the multiverse expert and I'm the one learning from you. Now, wouldn't that be something? But before we get too carried away, let's remember that this is just a theory. It's a tantalizing, exciting, and thought-provoking theory, but it's still unproven. The multiverse is a cosmic mystery that we're just beginning to explore. As we wrap up this cosmic journey, let's not forget the beauty and wonder of our own universe. After all, it's the only one we know for sure exists. So, keep looking up, keep wondering, and keep exploring. So next time you're feeling small, just remember, in another universe, you might be the one explaining this to me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and as always, stay cosmic.